Incisional hernia, as the name implies, is a hernia that occurs in a previous incision, and this refers to an incision on the abdominal wall. Common causes would be an incision from an appendectomy, a cholecystectomy incision, and what happens is the abdominal incision does not heal properly or becomes weakened, and eventually a hernia develops. The hernia is characterized by a bulge. It can be painful, and the method of repairing it is surgical. It requires surgical repair with or without mesh, and this is how you resolve the problem.